So good evening. We're back again. We're going to talk about, oh yes, Declan Rice, as if we ain't bored of this saga already. Do smash the like button. Do subscribe. I will have a video dropping on the second channel in a bit as well, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And then I'm out. I'm not going out, but I'm out. So yeah, man, big up to everybody tuned in. Big up to everybody who's been dropping their super chats in as well. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. And the comments as well. This channel's been popping recently, so yeah, man, we're on course to 84k now, so get that boxed off. But Declan Rice, anybody else bored? All of this PR for Mikel Arteta? Oh, Mikel Arteta, he is the driving force in this. Mikel Arteta speaks to him on a regular basis. Oh my days, Arteta. Yeah, you've got the fan base twerking, saying, "Oh, yeah, if we pull this off, that'll show the pull that Arteta has." No, it won't. Because let me tell you something right now. I've been thinking about this, right? Are Man City actually in for him? Because they ain't bid yet. Ornstein was saying that they were going to bid. Fabrizio was saying they're going to bid. Di Marzio was saying they're going to bid. Where's the bid? So are they actually in for him? Or is this actually just a load of PR for Mikel Arteta? That make out Man City are in. They're the treble winners. We'll pay the money anyway eventually, which we will. We'll bid eventually 100 million, which is pretty much what they want. And yeah, then it'll be, we fought off treble winners. Pep Guardiola, Manchester City. He felt that he would be a more usable asset at Arsenal than he would at Manchester City. He'd feel more part of the team. Because that's all I keep hearing. That's all I keep reading. He'll feel like he's more of a part of a team and a main part of the team than just being a squad player. Where is this notion that Declan Rice is going to be a squad player come from? Man City. He literally walks in the team next to Rodri. What is everyone yapping about? Like, Arsenal fans are weirdos, man. Yeah, and all of this that tweets and bid imminent. Arsenal have contacted West Ham to alert them to a third bid incoming. Why don't you just fucking phone them and bid? Like, how about that? And why are you phoning them to tell them, that we're going to bid? Why don't you just bid? How about that? But yeah, the more I've been thinking about this, are they actually interested in him? Are they actually going to bid? We don't know, do we? All we know is what the same puppet journalists are putting out there, right? Chris Wheatley somehow sort of wormed his way and squirmed his way back into the Arsenal community. How? Remember this guy gave out fake news about Thomas Partey. He went to Nottingham Forest for a season. Yeah, he's come back like nothing's happened. Excuse me? What is going on here? But more I've been thinking about it, these same journalists that chat absolute crap on behalf of the football club are pretty much the same ones that are putting this out there. So is there actually any credibility in this story about Man City? Who knows? Maybe there is. Maybe Man City are waiting for us to bid before they bid. Maybe they're waiting for us to bid our third bid, and then they're going to come in and just say, bang, we'll match it. Yeah, and then all of a sudden he has got an issue, then, hasn't he? Because all of these PR stories that are out there about how great Mikel Arteta's pull is, how much Rice only wants to be in London and wants to be part of the project. Imagine if Man City are in for him and he decides he doesn't want to go to Man City. He'd have to seriously question his ambition. You're guaranteed trophies. You're guaranteed Champions League football. You're guaranteed to be in the latter stages of the Champions League every year and potentially win it like you've just done. So, no, I know. I'll go to Arsenal, don't bother winning it, never get to a final, only once, and haven't won a league for 19 years. But Lee, we all live in Disneyland, and he wants to be the man that came in and took Arsenal over the line. This is elite level football, not Disney. What is the story? What are all these stories I keep reading? Yeah, like, listen to this. This is Fabrizio Romano saying this. There is a crucial part of the story to mention. At the moment, the player has been very clear from what I understand. He wants to be open and to see what Arsenal and Man City will do in the next hours and days. Well, that was exactly what he said last week. We know one crucial point to this story, Mikel Arteta. Arteta is pushing at the best level to sign Rice and is trying every single way. Of course, it doesn't depend on him. It depends on the owners and how much they want to spend on the deal. Excuse me. But Arteta is trying his best. He's really pushing for Rice to join Arsenal. So Arteta could be crucial. If Declan Rice will be an Arsenal player, trust me, Arteta will be a crucial factor. No shit, Sherlock. A football manager wants a player. Of course, he's going to be crucial in the deal. He's going to play for that football manager. Of course, it's a crucial part of the deal. People believe this crap. Like, come on. What is going on here? Some of the stories I've seen are just hilarious. Like, absolutely hilarious. Yeah, Arsenal's third bid imminent. Yeah, okay, mate. Good one. Declan Rice prefers a certain move. Okay, of course he does. Good one. Why ain't it done then? Oh, yeah, because Arsenal haven't bid the money. That's right. Yeah. They haven't bid the money. Yeah, then I've seen another one. Yeah, this is what West Ham wanted. They wanted to get Man City involved. Man City, I've seen this one as well. Man City held talks with Declan Rice. Right, listen to this crap. Held talks with Declan Rice, but they haven't put a bid in because he's made it abundantly clear he only wants to join Arsenal. What are you waffling? What are you waffling? So Man City have not put a bid in because he's made it abundantly clear he only wants to join Arsenal. But it was only a couple of days ago that Fabrizio was saying that he's, open to going anywhere. He's open to going to Man City. He's open to go anywhere. So I don't understand why these stories are all conflicting. Well, actually, I do, because they may be making up the first stories in the first place. Yes, now, we've made the first one up, but Arsenal still haven't put a bid in a week later. The third bid's still not in. But we were like, and we've said that Man City are coming in and bidding for him. And they've not bid yet. What we'll do is we'll spin it back now to make out that, it was Arteta's convinced him. He's only got his heart set on Arsenal. Yeah, I hate these kinds of stories. Yeah, I hate these kinds of stories because these stories are just BS. Absolute crap. Yeah, Declan Rice couldn't care less where he goes. But what club, like if Chelsea come in and bid 120 million, he's signing for Chelsea. I've told everyone this. But they don't want him. If Man City come in and bid for him, he will go to Man City. If they put a bid in that gets accepted, he will sign for Man City. But they haven't bid yet. If Arsenal actually get the right money on the table and bid properly, he'll join Arsenal. First person to get a bid accepted is most likely to get him. But having said that, if they want him Man City and we bid our third bid before their first bid, then they could just come in and go, bang, we'll match it. And that is why Arsenal have not bid yet. Because Arsenal are waiting for Man City to bid. So then Arsenal can see what Man City's bid is and then gazump them, getting it accepted. Man City most likely are in for him. But it wouldn't surprise me if this was all a PR exercise to boost this Lego head, like Lego character. Yeah, it makes me laugh every single day. You wake up, you read the same journalist chatting the different day, same crap. And they just use different words and twist. It's the same information they gave us yesterday or the day before, just with a different buzzword in it. Like, it's just hilarious reading all this. And people sit there believing their every word. The fact and reality is, if a team gets a bid accepted for Declan Rice, he is signing for that club. Unless another bid comes in for the same money, then he's got a choice. That's it. Look at the Mudryk one. Mudryk, the first team to get a bid accepted, he went there. Yeah, because the other team, Arsenal, never came back in with a bid to match their offer or beat their offer. So let's not all sit here and pretend, that, oh my God, he's sitting there on the holiday right now going, oh my God, but I gave Arteta my word. But now I can't. No. What, do I go City? Oh dear. And the funny thing is, our fan base are tapped. I say this every day. They are tapped. They're all sitting there trying to convince themselves that Declan Rice wouldn't get in Man City's team. But then on the other hand, they're all gassing this guy up like he's the second coming of fucking Ruud Gullit or fucking, I don't know, Michael Ballack or something. I don't know, someone decent. Yeah, they're all making out he's amazing and he's great. But then they sit there and say, but he wouldn't get in City's team. What are you waffling? They make no sense. Yeah, then they're all doing these little love letters to him. Oh, yes, it's so much better if Declan Rice is sitting on Twitter, he'd definitely pick Arsenal over Man City. Yeah, we'd appreciate him more. Nobody cares. Yeah, because these same fuckwits, and they are fuckwits, these same fuckwits, sat there gassing up every single player we've signed for the last decade. But then they cheer after telling people like me that say, I ain't backing this player, he's shit, or I ain't doing this, he's crap. Or no, get him out, I don't want him. Yeah, they tell me I'm negative and toxic, but then these same idiots that have gassed these players up into oblivion then sit and cheer, yeah, when Eddie rips up their contracts. So why have you been telling me to back everything that this club does? Yeah, when you're sitting there blatantly chatting crap. Yeah, because you're cheering that Pepe's going to walk out the club. They're now all convincing themselves that Thomas Partey's no good. But for the whole season, they've been trying to tell Man United fans he's better than Casemiro. Well, which one is it, lads? Is he better than Casemiro or is he not better than Casemiro? You tell me. But this fan base are a massive, massive issue. Yeah, and I've said this for many years. They are the single biggest problem at this football club. And if we sign Declan Rice, the stories will be we beat off Man City, even if they don't put a bid in. It'll be we beat off Man City. We shook them so badly, yeah, because they didn't even want to bid because we'd done our work properly to get Declan Rice before they even come in. Yeah, and that will give this manager a lifetime contract. This will be the most protected footballer ever in the history of football. Declan Rice could drop 10 games in a row, 0 out of 10. Doesn't matter, it's Declan Rice. He chose us over City. Yeah, Mikel Arteta's pool's amazing. Yeah, you might have trophies, but you ain't got no history. That's what it'll be. Yeah, we got Declan Rice. Yeah, well they got Rodri, mate, and Rodri's better. Let's just be real with it. Yeah, but they could have Declan Rice and Rodri because if they really want him, he's going. Let's be real. Anyway, all have a blessed evening. That's my little ranting session over. And happy birthday to the GOAT, Leo Messi. It's his birthday today. Happy birthday to my GOAT. We're going out for dinner. It's her birthday today. And yeah, man, it's all good. Have a nice evening. Smash the like button. Let me know if you're bored of Declan Rice saga and this talk and all this PR and all this sexy words and crucial hours. It's crucial hours. What are you chatting about? Crucial hours? Do me a favor. I thought the deal was at match point. You know, we was at match point 10 days ago. Match point. It was a long match point. Match point. People believe this waffle. Adios. I'll be back again tomorrow with another upload. Make sure you check that out. Big up to everybody who's been smashing the like button. Get your comments and super chats in down below. And yeah, man, have a blessed Saturday evening. We're out of here.